Buongiorno paesani, what are we doing today? Look at what we're doing. Talei, taralli. Nini do fai taralli.
Gira, 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 gira.
Gira, gira, gira.
La palla che...
Look at the nice taralli. Then we boil them. Then we put them in the oven. And as soon as they get golden, we pull them out and enjoy. So that's it. That's your little short lesson of how to make Sicilian taralli with fennel. There, he wants to be seen. There you go. You're not camera shy, huh? With the tarantella music. No, 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 no. No, don't eat it raw.
Thank you.
Sofia eats it raw. Look at that nice taralli, come sono belle. Come on, put some elbow grease in it. Come on. Work it, work it. Para non verme. Cadê?
Mi scappa.
Ti scappa. Para non verme. That's it. Roll it, Sophie. Those beautiful hands. Oh, she's camera shy. Okay, let's go back to him. Hey, camera happy.
Balliamo tutti, balla, balla.
So this is how we spend our Thursday afternoons, guys. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.